is time. It's time for the Light Round Quiz. We're of course the same as occupied by myself. Don't know the course exactly. It's on my staff. We're playing this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? It's time for the Light Round Quiz. We'll start with Chris in Alabama. Chris.
Good evening, Cramerica. Booyah, Jim. I'm a club
Booyah,
member.
right back at you, Crimson Tide. What's going on?
Hey, I'm on a 17% toboggan ride down from 202 to 166 with Aero Environment Inc., symbol AVAV.
I've got to tell you, one of the reasons why is that there are people in the Pentagon who think that maybe they're charging too much money. Now, they are few and far between. I think that this is the best bang for your buck, so to speak. But I can tell you that that's the weakness, and that's why the stock at 50 PE is considered to be too expensive. I like it, though. How about we go to Chris in Florida? Chris.
Hey, Jim. I got to start with a quick go Birds.
Hey, go Eagles. Absolutely.
Yes.
I like everything I'm hearing from training camp. I mean, like the subtle training camp, that real one hasn't started yet. What's up?
I love it. So I'm all about the logistics and transportation industry, Jim. Go Zell.
Okay.
There's two quick things that I wanted to ask you about. Just yesterday, Lineage talked about an IPO with a $19 billion valuation. I think it's going to be massive. But more importantly, a stock that you and I talked about a few weeks ago, you weren't entirely sold on it. I think it's still got room to run. Look at the last few days. SWRG.
Well, I'll tell you, you're right. I mean, look, the rest of the group has been carried up. The stock is down 60%. Losers will be winners. This is the slow ones now, will later be fast. I mean, it's like the times are changing. You might get forward, go to 28. Let's go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Booyah, Jimmy Jams.
Chillman says hi. What's happening?
I feel like opportunity is knocking, Jim.
Where that?
I trimmed off some of my tech stocks 2 or 3 days ago. I got lucky. But what I did was I sold NVIDIA last year at 450, 650, and 950 and put that all into Broadcom, Vertiv Holdings, DuPont, and Meta. Done
Well
incredible.
played. Well played.
Thank you. You were the only one, when I trimmed it at 450, the only one to say that there was nothing wrong with taking profit.
No, nothing. We took
that
some at the
heart,
beginning of the year. We thought it was the right thing to do. Okay, what's happening?
I'm ecstatic. I'm interested in General Dynamics. You told me last year it was great. You gave me the green light, and I'm doing great on it. I'm happy. I want to buy more.
Okay. I can bless that because it's not an expensive stock and it's a great company that I've been dying to have on the show, but I've had very little luck. But maybe my luck's about to change. But I think you'll do fine in that. I need to go to Anna in New York. Anna.
Welcome. Hi, Jim. So great that you took my call. I'm from Westchester County, New York, in your backyard.
Lucky.
And I'm
Fantastic.
calling about, I worked for CES, Con Edison Solutions. It was an ESCO company for Con Ed for 15 years. We were bought out in 2019 by Exelon, then Constellations. So through payroll deduction, my CEG stock, I purchased 68 shares for about $2,100 back then. It's worth about $12,700 right
There you
now.
go.
Buy, hold, or sell.
Okay, this stock is under heavy pressure. There's a big rotation going on in it. The rotation hasn't lasted long enough. I think it's going to go for a couple more days because the stock is up 60%. Keep your powder dry. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, give the people what they want. Cramer on lessons from Chipotle and more. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow at Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. Hashtag #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.